Once there was a way to get back homeward. Once there was a way to get back home.
Oh, Dad. I'm so sorry. A lullaby.
Yeah, Mr. Moon certainly brought down the house once and for all today. And although Mr. Moon has not been available for questions, unconfirmed reports suggest he was responsible for building a water tank that exploded and flooded the building. I've been told the 250 squid who had been part of Moon's display are in fact employees
Eddie,
of three-star restaurant
someone at the
Lake
door.
Calamar, and that none of them were harmed during the incident. Whether they will be returning to their usual work is not yet.
Oh, no.
Mr. Moon?
Come on, Moon. You can't just hide out in your buddy's pool house.
Yeah, we just want to make sure you're all right, that's all.
Hey, Mr. Moon.
You okay?
Guys, look, I'm sorry about what happened. And the prize money.
Oh, it's okay.
No, none of this is okay.
At least we're all in one piece.
Yeah, and you know what? I bet we can find some other place to put the show on. Right?
Yeah.
The show. Guys, I'm done.
What do you mean done? Come on.
Didn't you see this? Huh? Look, it says I'm a danger to society. A deluded, washed-up charlatan who never had a hit in his career.
Oh, come on. You don't believe all that.
Yeah, I do.
Listen, you're not the only one who lost something here. We all did. I mean, I lost any chance of ever speaking to my dad again over this show. Sorry.
Oh, Mr. Moon, don't...
Forget about it. What is this? I don't understand.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Mr. Moon?
Nina, please.
I baked a cake for you because, well, I know you're sad right now and probably afraid to try again.
Yeah, I am afraid. I'm afraid that this, me, right now, this is who I am. This is my lot for life, that I'm not the guy that my dad wanted me to be, not by a million miles.
But you told me...
What did I say?
Well, you know, don't let fear stop you from doing the thing you love.
Ah, come on, that's just a bunch of stupid, corny...
No, it's not.
What, you really believe that you're gonna be a singer?
Well, yeah, maybe.
Well, then you're just as big a fool as I am. Look, kid, you and me, we're both afraid for good reason. Right? Because deep down, we know. We just don't have what it takes.
What?
I'm awake. Hey, Buster.
Hey, Eddie.
Wait, where'd you go? Are you okay?
Listen, could you meet me at the corner of Dinsdale and Leamington?
Now?
Yeah, please. And could you bring me a spare Speedo?
Speedo? Hey, Miss Crawley.
Oh, hello, Eddie.
Hey, did you bring your Speedo?
Oh, yeah. Here.
Great. You're a real pal, Eddie.
Oh, our first customer.
Miss Crawley, fill the bucket. Be right with you, sir.
Wait, what are you doing?
The only other job I know. Just glad my dad isn't here to see this. Miss Crawley, if you would. Oh, thanks. Well, gotta go to work. I'll see you around, Eddie.
Come on, I ain't got all day. Too slow, dude.
One moment, please, sir. Well, you know the good thing about hitting rock bottom? There's only one way left to go, and that's up. Come on. You wash, I'll dry.
Thank you, Miss Crawley.